Good afternoon, this is Tina Jackson and I'm here with Lily and we're talking about a brand new skincare product that we just used on Lily's skin. How are you, Lily?
Good, how are you?
Good. How does your skin feel?
Well, my skin feels really, really soft and clean. At first she asked me, how do you feel about your skin? I feel good. My skin is alright. I feel good. And then she's like, I bet this is gonna make a difference. And I'm like, no, it's not. I feel good about my skin. And then she's like, okay, let's give it a try. And then when she cleaned my face and everything, and I touched my face, it was really soft, clean, and I feel like, damn, it really did make a difference. and I was shocked, like, really? I felt good about myself, and then after cleaning it, it really made a difference. So, for the people who really have like weird things on their face, like pimples and all that, I think it will also help them, and it really helped me too.
That's what's amazing because this product is good for dark marks, razor bumps, acne, everything. Any last words, Lily?
Plus, it's natural. Keep that in mind, no chemicals, nothing.
That's right, girl.
Well, thank you.